is Tristan Ian Cristobal, the founder of CPA Online Review School. And of course, nangungumusta lang sa inyong lahat. How are you doing? Just want to invite you in our 5-day intensive accounting workshop, which will help you to become, a CPA. And then, syempre, okay, this is because this will help you, okay? This will help you assess yourself kung ready ka na ba, kaya mo na ba, okay? So, yeah, let's do the tango, all right? So, I'm just checking my technicalities. Okay, so the 5-day intensive accounting workshop is anyone can avail it, okay? So if you are a future CPA, aspiring CPA, or someone who wants to at least refresh yourself kung ano ba talaga yung meron sa CPA board exam, right? So who should avail this? So yeah, so this is it, Pusit. So this is under our accounting tutorial online class. Okay, which is this is sponsored by CPA Online Review School. So this is a 5-day intensive basic accounting lessons so that you can accelerate your knowledge, okay, in accounting. And this is actually related to the review session. So if you are undergrad, so this is not for you, but of course you can still avail, right? If you really want to know kung ano nga ba ang meron sa board exam, okay? So who should avail this program? So of course, if you're accounting professionals, right? If you are an aspiring CPA who wanted to test the water, okay? So this is for you. Okay, if you graduated and then nag-work ka na agad, hindi mo na na-take ang board exam, medyo matagal ka na. Okay? Matagal ka nang matagal ka na nag-graduate. So this is for you. Okay? So if you are someone who need to gain confidence para mag-take ng board exam, so our 5-day intensive basic accounting lesson is for you. Alright? Because we will help you gain your confidence by helping you analyze, understand what's in the box. Okay? So if you are a future CPA who wants to gain review momentum, yes. So kung gusto mo nang maging CPA and you think na kailangan mo nang subukan na mag-review and kailangan mo nang spark, okay? So this is for you. Okay, so if you're an aspiring CPA who are serious to pass the board, so because we are going to give valuable lessons here, intensive workshop for you to do, okay? Syempre, magiging intensive lang siya if you do the homework. Alright? So you have the homework here kung ano yung dapat mong intindihin as a future CPA or aspiring CPA. So this is our flagship program for those who are serious na mag-take ng board exam and gusto nilang i-assess ang kanilang sarili if they are ready or if they can continue reviewing or if they will take the review session, mag-enroll na sila. So this is for you. Okay, we will help you on this side of the box. All right. So the 5-day intensive, so nalaman mo na guys, is it for you? So you assess yourself if it's for you. By the way, guys, if you are enrolled in CPA Online Review School, libre na to. Okay, makukuha mo tong for free. So I will show you. Yeah, so before that, of course, let me give you the objectives of this 5-day basic accounting workshop, which is this. There are three. First is to strengthen your basic accounting. Okay, I will show you why later on. And then help students to be ready on review session and actual board exam. Okay, and of course, understand the relevance of the six subjects into becoming a CPA. So bakit mo ba kailangan reviewin yung 6 na subjects or 7 na subjects or maybe 8 subjects? Alright? Bakit kailangan? Okay, so we will help you understand that. So why? Because these are the facts. There are students or examinees who are not ready to take the examinations. So pupunta lang sila doon, magbabaka sakaling baka makachamba, and they will take the board exam. Okay? Or some are not really ready. Nag-board exam, ay nag-review, hindi naintindihan yung all of the subjects, ayun, bumabagsak. Okay? So the foundation is not strong in terms of understanding the business transactions given. Okay? And then of course, mix up of accounting concepts. So dahil sa ang dami na, okay, so dahil sa ang dami-dami ng ang dami-dami ng subjects, wala na. Okay? So this is really talagang that's the challenge for everyone, no? Na lahat ng lahat ng nagtitake ng board exam, hindi lang yung mga bumabagsak, but of course, dun din sa pumapasa. So this is the challenge, one of the challenges. Mix up of accounting. But ano ang kanilang advantage? Bakit sila pumapasa? Yan yung tanong. Bakit sila pumapasa? And then meron bakit hindi bumabagsak? Meron hindi pumapasa, no? So why? So you have to answer that by yourself. Maintindihan mo yan. Okay? So who will give the discussion here? So it will be me, yours truly, Tristan Ian Cristobal, and then of course, one of my colleagues, Alexandra Sansan, who is a CPA and a CMA. So we team up on this project so that we can help you further sa inyong journey sa pagiging CPA. Okay, so what you will learn on this 5-day intensive accounting workshop. Tarat. See guys? So this is what you will learn. So you will have an accounting, basic accounting, a reading of the financial statements, the revenue, stockholders' equity, expenses, how to file a tax return. Okay, so complete package na to guys, no? And then meron tayong mga bonus topics. Okay, so let us see sa accounting. So this is how basic accounting will help you the board exam. So this is actually going back to the basic, understanding the basic. Hindi naman i-discuss lahat na lahat, no? It's just a matter of ano yung importante doon sa basic accounting so that you can strengthen the interpretation of the business transaction or the problem solving sa actual board exam. Okay? So maraming natutuwa dito because our students, current students, they got this information or these videos. Okay. So guys, umuulan na ba dyan sa lugar nyo? Kaway-kaway naman dyan kung umuulan na. Okay. Kasi dito sa Metro Manila, nagbabagang panahon. Excuse me po. Diba? Ayan na po. Kumukulog na po na may kasamang kidlat. Alright. So, ayan. So, one of the topics is financial statements then. So, we will help you interpret the financial statements. Okay? So that, and then we will connect the SIPALE subjects. Bakit ba importante malaman kung ano yung mga subjects na yan? Kung bakit ba natin tinitake yan? Okay, so we can summarize the SIPALE subjects in the financial statements interpretation. So this is really good guys, no? Maganda to. Okay, so makikita nyo guys, meron kang basic accounting, meron kang financial statements, and then of course, the stockholders' equity, revenue. This is actually the operation of the company, revenue and expenses. Diba? So we will have there will be a discussion on revenue and expenses. Just imagine that guys, no? And then of course the stockholders equity, marami yan na discussion natin. And then of course we will help you the tax filing, the practical approach, or not the practical approach, but yeah, the practical way, or I mean the application, practical application on how to file a tax return. So mawawatch mo din yan, right? So and then of course, bonus topic namin is the key resources of Sipales subject. So ano bang mga books ang babasahin mo, saan ka ba kukuha, saan ka bibili, alright? So this is the example. Yeah. Yan, ganda, no? So, ito na guys, no? It's ready. Okay? This is ready. So, just imagine guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours. But this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay? As you can see, may more than 1 hour, 55 hours, 61 hours. So it's more than 1 hour. And supposedly the charges for this, or your fee, your investment supposedly for 1 day is around 800 pesos to 1,000 pesos. So the true value of this accounting workshop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Supposedly 7,000 pesos, guys. Just imagine that. Okay? 7,000. But now, we are just giving it for 500 pesos as introductory price. So if you have that 500 pesos, mag-invest ka lang and then kaboom, you can assess yourself. Are you ready to become a CPA? Ready ka na bang mag-review? Okay? So, again, your day 1, how to strengthen your basic accounting. Okay, so I will give you here tips, right? How to connect your basic accounting into the higher level of accounting. Okay? Yung advanced accounting natin. So, nandiyan yung mga auditing problem, AMS, alright? AFAR, FAR. And then, of course, the financial statements. We will help you appreciate the financial statements in connection with your Sipales subjects. Okay? And then, of course, the discussion. Ito na, discussion on revenue and expenses. Meron ka pang bonus, revenue from contracts with customers. Diba? So, supposedly, ibig sabihin, pag bonus yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Tama. Supposedly, 6 lang. Or 5 kasi 5 day. And then, yeah, the shareholder equity will be discussed to you as well, the basic of that. And then, yeah, which is, syempre, kapag meron kang revenue, and then meron kang expenses, meron kang net income. So, at the end of the day, how to file tax return, right? Which is talagang kumakwanto sa board exam, lumalabas. Okay, and then of course, key resources of Sipales subjects. So, yeah, key resources, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung mga libro, ano ba yung mga topics na, or I mean, na mga resources or yung mga pwede mong gamitin. Okay? So,